up, guys? Kelly. Today we're reacting to the Return of the Beast to the Sound. So yeah, I'm excited, you guys. Someone's like sounds like weed whacking or cutting the grass. So you might hear that in the background. I don't know. So yeah, guys. This is 13 minutes. I was actually thinking about still reacting to a video if you didn't upload today and just like, you know, one that I've never seen before. Because I don't react to a video that I've seen, you know, because I like to, you know, have genuine reactions. So anyways, and also I was wondering, because like every video I make, like reaction on, my new editing app, it's really cool because it has more things you can do with like Filmmaker. Like, I mean, you can do a lot in the Filmmaker, but you have to like buy it, you know, purchase, and who wants to do that? This stuff, like, to get like everything, you have to buy stuff, but to buy like the full version, but like, this for what they have now, it's pretty decent. So what I'm planning, and you know how like a lot of YouTubers at the end of the videos have you know, either like an intro to, they can have letters pop up with animation, or like, and then they have kind of the same thing for an outro. It can show like other videos for you to click on and stuff. If you guys know how I can do that, make one of those, like for you to be able to click on videos, like just on my phone, because I don't have a computer. So if you guys know how I can do that on my phone, leave it in the comments. Because I want to be able to do that stuff. I want to up my content. My reaction videos are my new editing app, I cannot really do much with. Yeah. So I can't like, it just, yeah. You guys have any suggestions how it can work? Like, because I'm not able to like download the video on my phone. Well, I forgot exactly. I think you have to buy like, I forgot what you have to like buy something. I forgot what it was. But yeah.
Yeah, guys, just loaded up the truck. Got a little brother right here.
Stay fresh with the elegant and inviting set of rose plus vanilla Schmidt's natural deodorant.
Chad, say something for the camera.
You're not the one who spent the last week cooped up in here, all right?
Wow, that was great. I got the remainder of my groceries. Got some nice Garnier fruit teas, conditioner, some protein. Got some
So
stuff. I got my bag back, yada yada. And Jeff, that's your bag. So, loading up the truck now, waking up at 6 a.m. and then we're out.
yeah, I want to be able to do that. So if you guys have any suggestions how I can do it on my phone, or even with the reaction videos, you know, because I don't want to have to like screen record. Because then, I mean, I can trim it to like, but just screen recording is annoying for me. But I don't know, maybe I can give it a try next video. But if you have any other ways to do it besides that, let me know. Comments, and I would like the intro and outro. Like, I want to be able to start doing that with all my videos. So yeah, if you guys have any suggestions, let me know in the comments and how I can do this stuff.
Man, I'm such a noob.
Just, you know, having your screen record a whole 13-minute video is just, I don't know, be annoying.
Good morning, guys. So I try right damage.
But if you guys can just let me know in the comments how to do all that. So, and it has to be, like I said, on my phone. It can't be computer. Because I want to, you know, make sure my videos are good for you guys. But like, you know, I know a lot of you like my reaction videos because I get decent views from, you know, like to you it might not seem, the views may not be seem like that good, but compared to my other videos, I get more views on my reaction videos. So, you know, I want to be able to improve them in any way I can.
Oh God, there's a Jackie's ham shop. Is that where she got the 4 pounds of ham this week?
Yes, and we have the 2 pounds.
9 minutes. It's kind of hot because I have to turn my AC off, so I'm hot. But yeah, like I said, guys, give suggestions.
Oh my God,
because that would just be helpful.
Back. We're finally back. Yep. It only took forever.
Make good time, but when there's traffic.
No place like home.
go pupper for another 2 hours from the puppy prison. Gen pup.
Is that it? That's just a little bit in the beginning, beast of sound.
Are you able to walk? Since we can't pick
So I
up the
guess
pups
someone
in
just
a
called.
couple hours.
Kind of. Sorry about that. Good thing I was already planning to use my editing app. And it's good too, you can upload right to the app, you just have to log in your YouTube stuff, but I should be automatically logged in now to the app, since I used it once already, so.
Yo, Jess, go on, is that okay?
No, I'll go in here, please.
Alright, man, you enjoy. Goodbye. Oh my god.
I wonder what Jesse would think of that if he would see that, because, you know, I doubt he's been watching Jeffrey's videos. He might have, just to check out what's been going on with vacation, but.
Are they pulling in right now?
Yep.
Oh my god. Yeah, guys. Because Uncle Larry doesn't have a truck no more since, like, what was it, 2016?
Basically,
Yeah, Uncle Larry destroyed a pool. I don't know if you guys heard about that. It was at the Ridgeway residence. But yeah, he drove through the pool with his truck. Hasn't had a truck since. So, yeah. So,
Yeah,
he's in our
it's
truck.
like, what was it? Psycho Uncle and Pax Pool, I think the video was called.
Pretty convenient. Pretty convenient.
I've been missing Jesse's videos a lot. Like the last one I uploaded was like a week ago, right? A little over a week. I missed his videos, you know, and he hasn't been too much on the social medias, you know, in a couple of days. The last post he posted was 2 days ago. He saw some show in LA, so I forgot what the guy's name was, but if you guys want no updates.
Sit over here.
That's a lot of stuff.
Yeah. And there it is. It's all over.
That's kind of sad, you know.
Schedule for the next one.
That's right.
All right, we're good.
Okay, bye.
2020 vacation next year. Hopefully Jesse will be going to this one and get some vlogs. I mean, I'm happy at least got like one VidCon vlog. Every year he does like a couple, like, well, I think 2015 he had like 6 vlogs from when he was at VidCon, but they weren't like all VidCons, him doing other stuff. 2016, I think he only had the one, right? Then 2017, last year, no, not last year. What was 2000? I think he only had one in 2017 too. Or 2, it might have been 2. 1? I think it actually, no, just 1. And then last year we had like 3, 2 or 3. I think it was 3 actually. So, and then this year 1 again. I can't remember 2017. I'm pretty sure it was just the one.
Gets done first gets the leaf blower. As you guys can tell, I lost this round. My legs are grassy.
Oh, wow. Oh, I got some blood.
Oh man, little Jeffrey wins again.
5 minutes.
2-1, Jeff against Jeff. But guys, check this out. I actually found like somebody's like Subaru car key, just like kind of like.
And I'm gonna be doing editing at the end when I say like hit that subscribe button, post notification. I'm just gonna have to write subscribe in words, cause like, you know, like how people would do that animation. I cannot do that. I mean, I can just like screenshot or get a picture of the bell and post it, but like, yeah.
This is a very nice
I don't know.
resort that we send them to. They have a 3-dog suite. So
They're in Gen Pop now, though.
let's see Kate's reaction. God, she's gonna be so upset.
She's probably not even know yet.
She's probably gonna pee herself and get mad at me.
Ready to go home, want everything? Get in.
Go ahead. Excuse me.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus.
All the dogs.
Oh, you bet. Oh my God. Oh,
There's Luna.
I know. I'm in your seat.
I just thought Luna was like the cutest. It was Ella and then Luna. So, all 3 of the dogs are the cutest.
No, you can't drive.
There's John.
There it is. There it is. I know. I'm in your seat. see. I'm sorry.
Let's show him, bud.
Oh, hi there. Oh my God. Aww. God, they're crazy. Okay. All right, you guys are finally in sync. There we go.
That's the gears in the steering wheel. Good, puppy.
Okay, okay.
We're getting close, puppy.
Okay.
Oh, God, puppy.
Let's all calm down.
Yep.
Let's all calm down.
Brian Moore, up after me.
Oh my God. They're crazy.
Aww.
Time to poop.
That's cute. So yeah, guys, sorry that I'm gonna be able to cut in the video, but
Two. Well, okay, it is. Wow. That's all it took.
so yeah.
It was absolute
People, I know I've gotten a few comments in the past to,
Hi.
you know, for better quality reaction videos, but
Not poop either.
I don't know how to do it on the phone. Like I said, I could screen record, but like, I don't know, I just feel like that's kind of annoying. Then I can kind of, I don't know, figure out to trim it. I don't know, just, I mean, I never thought this was bad, because you can see the video, maybe not up, like, certain times, because sometimes it's the video, like, the lighting, like, if it's really bright, like right now, because they're outside in the sunlight, so, like, it's gonna create a bit of a glare on the camera.
Oh my God, I'm gonna have to mow this tomorrow. Crap, that is unreal. That is unreal. There's probably like a bazillion snakes in there. Like those black racer snakes with the white stripes on them. Oh my God. We're probably getting ticks right now. Just, oh my God.
I was looking at Instagram, I saw, what's his name? Jason with Genesis baby, she's so cute. Her name's Lucy. Go follow him on Insta, not Insta, Twitter if you wanna see her. She's so cute. I don't know what happened to her other Genesis guys. They haven't posted in a while. They had the competition for the next Genesis guy to take over for Jason, and then I don't know. I've had a good video in a while. Same with Swift. It's been like over a week.
Runs off to go like do like jeez, I'm dropping this crap everywhere.
I'm gonna miss Jesse here because it's funny to see Jeffrey, you know, annoy Jesse. It's funny, you know, like prank him. So that's gonna be weird.
My brother runs off like to go hang out across country doing whatever God knows like bull crap road trip plans he's got. Meanwhile, we're getting all these bills and everything. Apparently, he didn't have autopay set up. And what the hell is this thing? A Tesla wall connector? I'm not doing. Door over there. Oh, when he's getting out of the place. Jesus. This is ridiculous, Papa. This is freaking ridiculous. Gets a wall connector for his Tesla, but doesn't pay the bills. Freaking utilities. God.
I'm on affairs.
What this like annoys me with Jesse, it's like he's always saying, oh, he's not making that much money off YouTube, but yeah, he could afford a Tesla. And apparently at VidCon, when you saw the vlog, that was his first check he got from Storyfire, so obviously he was using YouTube money, so I don't know, he was just saying as part of the series, like, remember that he was saying in the sex series, like, he was making money off the Psycho series, and his videos, like, good money, but he was, like, kept saying, like, he didn't. So that kind of annoys me, just because, oh my God, wires. You know, and then, like, I don't know. He bitches he doesn't make, sorry for my language. You know, like, complains he doesn't make that much money off YouTube, but yeah, he buys a Tesla. And then during VidCon last week or 2 weeks ago, he got his first paycheck from Storyfire. Remember, if you guys saw that video, but you should go check it out. It's like what 13,000. But anyways, I don't know. I feel like I don't know. Because Tesla, I don't know exactly how expensive Teslas are, but they're pretty expensive. Couple $100,000. Probably almost the same as his house costs. You know, however much that house was figured. Maybe even more, because this house that there was only like, what, 390K, I think, or somewhere around there. It's 350K. It was one of those prices, because there was two houses. One was like 350K, the other was 390K or 99K, something like that. So it's one of those prices. So it's, you know, I don't know. That's just what I don't understand, guys. See fault in his logic by him saying that, and then he buys a Tesla. And this was before VidCon, because he drove it to VidCon. So I don't know. That's like, he contradicts himself. Especially like, good example like there, him saying that. Anyway, guys, I love you guys. Follow me on socials. Sign my YouTube petition. I recommend go following Jesse on Twitter, because, you know, you can get updates and like little videos that he posts on there. You know, if you do like his content, and like kind of, yeah, and follow me on Twitter, because I always, you know, after I upload a video, I always tweet it on my Twitter. So I just put it on my Twitter, so I've been trying to be more active on my Twitter, so go follow me in there. I'm not really active on Instagram, except just to check other people's posts. I don't really post much, so if you want to follow me where I'm active most, go to my Twitter, because that's where I'm most active out of all my socials. Snapchat I don't use. I mean, you can still follow me, then I'm using my Facebook page I don't use. Twitter and Instagram are my favorite, but I just don't really post on Instagram. I just kind of check it out, see new posts, so yeah. Anyways, guys, so follow me on my social, sign my petition, follow Colin, and hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, even though they're like kind of together. Made no sense. Anyways, yeah. Subscribe and post notification bell. I love you guys. Hit that like button also. See you guys in the next video. Peace.